students, in this video we will know about elements, that what is element and how these elements are classified. So first of all, I would like to tell you that we can see more substances or many substances around us. For example, here I can see this board, door, table, fan, wall, and so many things are there. So this all things whatever is present nearby me, nearby you, nearby everyone, that all the things either plastic or cup, plate, table, chair, pen, pencil, mobile phone, stand, camera, all these things are made up from some basic substances. ये सारे चीज़ें जितनी भी आपके आसपास दिखाई देती हैं, ये सभी चीज़ें किसी न किसी बेसिक सब्सटेंस से बनी हैं. और वो बेसिक सब्सटेंस, दैट बेसिक सब्सटेंस इज नोन एज एन एलिमेंट. ओके, सो लेट अस सी एग्जांपल ऑफ दिस सो दैट द आइडिया विल बी मोर क्लियर टू यू. फॉर एग्जांपल, वी आर टेकिंग वाटर. Water example is the simplest example, that's why we are taking water formula. We know already, that is H2O, and this water is made up from two basic substance, that is hydrogen and oxygen. This water is made up from two basic substance, hydrogen and oxygen. Now come to know about some other things, some other examples we will see, so that the idea will be much clear to you. We are eating so many things. So many things means like we are eating cucumber, we are eating carrot, we are eating radish, we are eating chapati. From all kind of food, what we are getting, the main thing which our body absorbs from the food, that is glucose. And glucose formula is also C6H12O6. Means what I can say from the formula, it is clear to me that this glucose is also made from some basic substances, and that basic substances are carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. You see here also, whatever food we are eating, in that also hydrogen is present as well as oxygen is present. And what kind of water we are drinking, in that also hydrogen is present and oxygen is present. Means either you drink water, inside your body the basic substance is going, that is hydrogen and oxygen, or you eat food, that time also the basic substances going inside you is carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. So in this way what we can see, there are the thing or something that is the basic unit from which everything is made up from. Okay, made up of. Or when you are cooking food, adding so many spices in that, so many things you are adding. They are also having some chemical formula. If you look at their chemical formula, you will come to know that which kind of basic elements are present inside it. Okay, this is the formula of glucose and water, because these two are very common to us. Whatever you are eating, either you are eating chapati, in that also glucose is present, or you are eating cucumber, carrot, radish, in that also glucose is present. That's why when you are in a condition that you cannot take food, you cannot eat food, like when you are sick, you are admitted in the hospital, you are not able to eat, and you need to be survive, and for your survival this glucose and this water is very much important for your body. That's why when the patients are admitted in the hospital, the doctors are advising to give the glucose. Why glucose? Because this glucose is giving us energy. Why we are eating food? To get the energy. And when we are not eating food, we can get direct energy by drinking this glucose. Okay, now come back to the topic. So these are the basic substances we come to know: hydrogen, oxygen, carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. Now let us see some more examples of elements so that it will be much clear to you. Gold is an element. When you see gold, the pure gold from which we cannot make jewelries, that is pure gold. Inside that time there is no impurity. By adding impurity we are making jewelries. Aluminium and zinc, copper, carbon, oxygen, nitrogen, fluorine, chlorine, bromine, helium, all these are elements. Okay, now come to know the definition of the element, that what is the possible definition of the element. The definition defines that word completely. It includes all the properties of that word. Now element, an element is defined as a pure substance. Element हमेशा pure ही होता है. क्यों? Because if you look here, iron, suppose I took a small sheet of iron F and I am going to study it with a microscope, and what I found, there is an atom of iron, there is another atom which is also of iron. There are many atoms in that piece. I saw many atoms in that piece. Okay, and I saw that in that all the atoms are of iron only. There is no other atom. So what I found, that all the atoms are same, or all the atoms are of same kind. If one atom is of iron, all the atoms will be of iron. Okay, now come back to definition. An element is defined as a pure substance made up from only one kind of atom. एक ही kind के atom से मिलके बना होता है element. Iron is an element. It is made from the atoms of iron only. All the atoms are of iron only, made up from the one kind of atom that cannot be converted into anything simpler than itself. Now whatever I do, I cannot convert this iron atom into aluminium atom. I cannot convert this iron atom into gold atom. I cannot convert this iron atom into carbon atom. I cannot convert this iron atom into oxygen atom. Means whatever method I apply, either physical method or chemical method, I cannot convert this iron atom into another atom. Okay, so this is the definition of element. Okay, now come to know some more things about element. Total elements, there are total 100 elements till now discovered, because scientists are regularly discovering and still they are getting some new elements. So till now the scientists have discovered 118 elements, and out of that this 92 are found naturally. And these 26 are artificial. Artificial means man-made. Man-made these 26 elements. Now this 118 elements is converted into three categories. Most of them are solid. Most of the elements are solid, means out of this 118, many of them are solid. Out of this 118, only two substances are liquid, two elements are liquid. First one is mercury. Mercury is a metal, and second one is bromine. Bromine is a non-metal. These two are the liquid. They are found in liquid state. Now 11 are gases. Out of this 118, 11 elements are gases. Okay, and the question can be asked to you that tell an element which is found in liquid state, or tell a metal which is found in liquid state. So the metal which is found in liquid state is mercury. Any other metal is not found in liquid state. And another non-metal which is found in liquid state, that is bromine. I hope the concept of element is clear to you. Okay, now Similarly, we can see some more example. ठीक है? Like if I am taking a piece of carbon, carbon means I can take the piece of coal, or I can take the piece of graphite, or I can take the piece of diamond, because all these things are made up from the carbon. So suppose I took the piece of this much of carbon and I go through the microscopic study, what I found that there are many atoms and there is no gapping, and all the atoms are of same kind, means one atom of carbon, another atom is also carbon, another also, and all the atoms are of carbon only. That means this carbon is an element. Now come to know about oxygen. If I took this much amount of oxygen, oxygen is a kind of gas, and I go through the microscopic study, what I found that I can see some atoms, and all the atoms I can see they are of oxygen only. All the atoms are of oxygen only. Now come to some, this is nitrogen. Nitrogen is also a gas. I took this much amount and I go through the microscopic study. What I found that all the atoms are of nitrogen. Okay, so these are the basic substances. इन्हीं से मिल करके कोई और substances बने होते हैं. Now water, if you are taking water and water formula is H2O, means in that one atom of hydrogen, another atom of hydrogen, and one more atom of oxygen. These three atoms means one atom of hydrogen and here is one atom of oxygen. So from this what I can see that these three atoms are not same. Two hydrogen atoms are same but oxygen is different. That's why this is not an element. This is not element. Okay, because in this the atoms are different. Okay, I hope the idea of the concept of element is clear to you. Again I would like to repeat that element means in that same kind of atoms are present. Okay, and you cannot convert that atom into any other thing. You cannot convert by a physical method or you cannot convert by chemical method. Okay, so you can note down these things. In this video only this much. For more knowledge, for more concept, you can subscribe to my channel. If there is any question, any query, you would like to see any other topic to be solved, to be make you understand, so you can write in the comment box. I would like to tell you that next video I can give the solution of your problem. Thank you and see you in the next video.